Well, it looks like we've got a case of the hiccups.
What is that?
Well, I'm convinced growing a beard will look good.
Do you have pictures of adult Astrid? Can I see them?
Huh? Huh?
So our show involves members of royalty who suffer a coup on an alien planet, so we must hide out on Earth amongst their people, while also attending high school, and wacky hijinks ensue. It's a pretty unique and original concept, don't you think?
Oh no! I'm late for work at Universal. I need to get there quickly.
Did you
I taught him that.
Here is your crystals, Mr. Spike. Fresh from the mines.
Don't even think about it.
Hey, come on! This was a personal pan. Cowabunga!
Booyakasha!
What the shells with these toppings? Well, this is weird.
Yeah, no kidding.
You're deplorable. Wait, that's not right. You're diabolical. No, I got this. You're dastardly.
No, he's dastardly.
How you doing?
Ugh! Ugh! Oh, man, I hate stepping on Legos!
Hey, pal, we don't like being stepped on either. I should have brought my tablet. I'm trying to send a reaction to Felix's post, but I can't pick the right emoji. So I'm saying, hey, Felix.
Hey, Conroy, what you got?
Yeah.
So, will these make you fast or something?
Hey, when it comes to speed, it's all about footwear.
Whatever you say, kid.
Alright, let's go. Wait. Hold on. Woohoo! Let's go! Wait. No! Whoa! Whoa! Wait. How does he do this? Oh, yeah! I broke the speed of sound! Now let's see if I can kick this up a notch! Whoa! It was horrible. I broke the speed of taste. It was nothing but nasty vegetables.
Real dangers of speeding.
So much celery.
This cartoon was sponsored by the Pro Candy Council and dentists. See you real soon, kids!
America and the whole damn world is watching anxiously as the squabble in DC continues between Congress and the White House. For shits and giggles, video game icon Sonic the Hedgehog, along with an associate, have been summoned to engage in negotiation to reach a compromise. To comment on the progress, Sonic and his partner had this to say.
It's no use!
Conroy! Conroy!
Hey, doggy, you made it!
Why in the heck did you want me to meet you out here?
I needed the space so I could show you the awesome Chi Blast attack some of the anime characters taught me.
Oh boy.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, get on with it already!
Alright, here we go. Kame... Hame... Mame... Zombie... Lame, dame, swame, game, zame, lame! Hadouken!
I guess that was pretty good, but, maybe you should leave that stuff to them anime fellas. A cat doing that stuff's pretty weird. Plus, they don't seem to suffer any of the, side effects.
What? This? Totally worth it!
By the stars of tunes these days, I tell ya! So you ever wonder what would happen if you take a side of Disney Princess,
mix it in a bowl with My Little Pony, grate in some Cartoon Network style humor, and add a dash of rainbow or two? Well, want to know more, because Disney did exactly that with this new show called Star vs. the Forces of Evil. So it's about this princess from another dimension who gets sent to our world because her parents feel that she's not ready to be a princess yet. Kinda like Enchanted, only without the live-action garbage. Anyway, she got sent to this average high school where she's assigned to partner with this totally not a love interest boy named Marco. A kid who is so totally safe that he gets made fun of for not taking dangerous risks and being safe. Yeah, apparently not getting yourself killed is worth something ridiculing over. Oh, and Star sometimes gets a visit from her friend, a sassy floating unicorn head. Maybe she's from that other magical horse cartoon that somehow wandered into a magic dog food factory or something. And lived. I know Disney is big on princesses. I mean, after all, princess movies is what brings in the big moolah for the Mouse Corporation, so it was only a matter of time until they released a princess-themed show to run alongside stuff like Gravity Falls and Phineas and Ferb, but man, they went overboard with the wackiness. I mean, Rainbow's on Fire? Wow, that's so totally radical and cool! Wow, we actually went there again. So yeah, if you like seeing girls kick butts, alright I guess. Disney has such big faith in the show that they renewed it for a second season before the first season really aired. Yeah, we know how that worked out the last time somebody did that to a cartoon.
This is the Cleveland Show. Ha.
Bark, laugh, and woof. Tunes these days, I tell ya. Flashback to 1998. I checked my mail to get the latest Looney Tunes magazine, when to my absolute horror it was discontinued by a magazine themed on this newfangled fad called Pokemon. So I phoned the publishing company, who then dropped 100 Magikarps and a 16-ton Snorlax on my head, to which I responded by laser tasing them, who retaliated by posting my baby pictures online. And here I am today, you sellout schmucks! Thanks to the fans, Pokemon proved to be one of the all-time largest anime franchises ever, since it spawned a TV show that is still airing now, toys, a bajillion movies, toys, games, and more toys! What gets me annoyed is that this show advocates animal fighting to make yourself feel like the best, causes seizures, and enforces how you gotta catch 'em all! Oh, the merchandising! But heck, maybe they're onto something with the merchandise thing. A doggy whack-a-cat would sell like hotcakes. Chuck a cup of Jones and leave me in a ditch. Tunes these days, I tell ya. Since TV producers like to blow out my eardrums, I had to watch Wander Over Yonder with my pair of Acme earphones. Then I realized they were just 2 lit sticks of dynamite, but it was still less noisy than this noise hole of a show. So the show's about this fuzzy leftover drumstick named Wander and his hollering blue horse of a friend Sylvia, and they go around the universe helping everyone out with their problems like door-to-door quick-draw McGraw cultists. And most of the problems are caused by a colorblind bad guy with the fashion sense of a Muppet named Lord Hader, who likes to scream like an orangutan while trying to take over worlds with his underappreciated lackey, Commander Peepers, while failing miserably thanks to Wander and his smiley antics and Banjo. And in the middle of it, Sylvia tries to make people meet her fist. And you know what? I kinda liked it. Sure, the show is loud, the songs are more embarrassing than your grandparents singing Happy Birthday, and the Tom and Jerry shenanigans are through the roof, but it admits that it's stupid without taking everything seriously. Not to mention the animation ain't bad for a modern tune. Yeah, I like the show, but is it any worse than lying back and sipping mango juice directly under a ton of heavy crap getting carried into an apartment complex? Henry, did you walk the car today?
3, 2, 1, go!
Want more cartoons? Click on one of the videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can see new cartoons early by becoming a Patreon or channel member.